Hi! In front of me is REALME C25Y, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find calendar and click on it. Now click on this icon at the bottom right corner, tap on Got It and choose the month above. After that, you need to pick a date by tapping on the one that you wish to set up and click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Select event and customize it however you wish to. For example, add a title, choose starting or ending hour, select location over here, click at the correct one, take notes, or even tap on Add Notifications, select one of those options and tap on Done. When you're ready, choose Save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, click on it, tap on this pen icon and make your changes. Remember to choose Save again. If you wish to delete it though, you can click on it again, but this time click on those three dots at the top right corner, select it Delete and tap on Delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!